morning. Very good morning, second class children. Are you all ready for the class? I hope everyone is eagerly waiting for the class, isn't it? Okay. So, had you done the practice? So, what type of practice? Yes, day before day, what I had given to you, had you remember that? Yes, the name of the colors and fruits. Name of the colors and fruits. Okay, have you done the practice? Like in which way you have done the practice? Both the languages, English and Hindi. Hindi to English, English to Hindi. You have to do the practice. Okay. Now, can you say the name of the fruits? What are the name of the fruits I had given to you? Name the fruits now. Now, that is anar, isn't it? Pomegranate, mango. Okay. Next one, papita. What is the fruit name? Papita. In English, papaya, angur, grapes, lychee, lychee. In English also we have to say lychee. Okay. Chiku, sapota. Okay. Chiku ante enti? Sapota పంటకి ఏమనాలి హిందీలో చీకు. Okay. And what about this anar? Which color anar? Red color, isn't it? Last year we learned, no? A say anar, a say right? So you know what is anar? Anar means pomegranate and means mango. Once again I am saying to you, lychee, and English also the same word. Repeat the word lychee. Then papita. What is the color of this papaya? Yellow color. So papita means in English papaya, angur, grapes. Okay, you have two colors in grapes. One is green and one is in ద్రాక్ష పండు ఏ కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది? బ్లాక్ కలర్. బ్లాక్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ గ్రేప్స్. ఓకే. అనానస్, పైనాపిల్, దెన్ జామున్, blackberry. Okay. Lychee, chiku, that is, what is that? Sapota. Then kharbuja, muskmelon, tarbooj, watermelon. Next one, nashpati, pears. It is also one type of fruit. Pears, it is in green color. Okay. Next, anjeer, fig, sitafal, custard apple. Okay. And then next, kurbani. Kurbani means what? It is the name of the kubani means it is apricot. Name of the fruit is apricot. So kubani fruit is kubani is one type of fruit. Okay. So the name of the fruit in English is apricot. Once again I will say kubani. Okay. Spell the word of kubani. K, not second first k. This is second k. K, badiu ki matra khu, baku ki matra, naku badi ki matra, kubani. Okay. So then parent in English lo apricot. It is also one type of fruit. Okay. Anjeer, fig. Next, sitafal, custard apple. So I had given all those names in the yesterday. I think I had given only some names on the board. Other names I had sent it in the message. Okay, second class children. So next one we will go with the colors. Now what are the colors I had trained you? What I had given the practice? Lal, neela, hara, peela, kala, bhura, jamuni and gulabi. Okay. So all those colors, or which color? Red color is lal. Then hara, green. Peela, yellow. Gulabi, pink. Jamuni, violet. Okay. And kala, black. Bhura, brown. So is it clear now? This is all recap session I had completed now. Now today I am going to give you the flowers name and animals name. Okay. So both the names I will translate in Hindi to English. Write down the name of the animals. Now listen children, if you want to do like yesterday I had given the colors. I told you now you have to draw any 5 colors, draw the picture and color it, and you have done the practice. Then one more thing, fruits, draw any 5 fruits and color it. ఓకే, నేను ఎలా మీకు లిస్ట్ ఇస్తున్నానో దాన్ని ఏదైనా ఒక 5 సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి, డ్రా చేయడము, కలరింగ్ చేయడం. నౌ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ టుడే అనిమల్స్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ మోర్ అనిమల్స్ నేమ్ ఆల్సో దట్ ఆర్ రిలేటెడ్ టు యువర్ మాత్రా ఓన్లీ. ఐ డెంట్ క్రాస్ ద అదర్ మాత్రా, బడి ఊకి మాత్రా only, still up to badi uki matra. I am not going to take the re, a, I, o, au, aha matra. Listen children, this is a most important point. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద మాత్ర వీ హెడ్ కంప్లీటెడ్, మనం కంప్లీట్ అయిన మాత్ర దానికి సంబంధించిన వర్డ్స్ నేను ఇస్తున్నాను మీకు అందరికి. ఆ మాత్ర, చోటీకి మాత్ర, బడీకి మాత్ర, చోటీ ఊకి మాత్ర, బడి ఊకి మాత్ర. ఓన్లీ దిస్ రిలేటెడ్ వర్డ్స్ ఓన్లీ ఐ ఎమ్ గివింగ్ టు యూ. సో ప్లీజ్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఓకే, I can't give the other matra words. Okay, teacher kela kuda fruit, but I didn't teach you the a matra, so obviously I can't give that type of words. Okay, now the words I am giving, it is related to the matra which I taught you. Okay, నేను నేర్పించిన మాత్ర ఒకటే మీకు చూపిస్తున్నాను ఆ వర్డ్ రిలేటెడ్. సో టుడే I am giving so many animals, but you select any 5 animals. You don't draw. If you are feeling so difficult to draw these animals, no, you can make it paste the pictures of what, only 5. Only you have to paste any 5 picture of this animals name. Select any 5 animals. మీకు ఏది ఇష్టం ఉందో అది 5 animals ని డ్రా చేస్తే, మీకు డ్రా చేయడం నాకు ఇష్టం టీచర్ అంటే డ్రా చేయండి. నో టీచర్ we will do the pasting అంటే no problem, it's not an issue, you can do pasting, but only 5. Okay, the list whatever I am giving the names in Hindi to English, practice at home more, and side by side what you are doing now, you are drawing or you are going to paste it. That's it. Any 5. Once again telling you, only 5 pictures. Whichever it is there, whatever I am giving on the board, the list of the name of flowers, insects name, animals name, birds name, colors, fruits, all you have to select only 5. Okay. So do it, paste it, or you can do the drawing. Is it clear children now? Should I start my class today class? Okay. Today which class I am going to start? Today's session is, we are going to see the first animals name, जानवरों के नाम. Okay, write down the list of this animals. Animals. Okay, जानवरों के नाम. Animals name. Animals name in English. Hindi to English. Hindi to English. Okay children, please write down these names. First one, bhalu. Write very neatly. What is the meaning of bhalu? Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Second one, okay, guy. Very simple animals name I am going to give you so that you can understand. Cow. Next, bakari. Bakari, goat. Guy, cow. Okay, bakari, goat. Next, hiran. Deer. Hiran, deer. Write very neatly. Children, leave one line and write. Okay. Hathi. Elephant. Hathi. Elephant. Gadha. Donkey. Gadha. Donkey. Next one, चूहा. चूहा means rat. Next one, go for सुअर, pig. सुअर मतलब pig. Okay. कछुआ, tortoise. कछुआ, tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Okay. Next one, CR, jackal. CR, jackal. Next one, cheetah. In English also cheetah only. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Bag, tiger. Bug, tiger. Is it clear, children, now? Is it clear for you all? So let me revise this class for you all. Come on, say everyone. Get ready. Bhalu, bear. Guy, cow. Bakari, goat. Hiran, deer. Hathi, elephant. Gadha, donkey. Chooha, rat. Suvar, pig. Kachua, tortoise. Siar, jackal. Cheetah, cheetah. Bagh, tiger. Once again. Bhalu, bear. Guy, cow. Bakari, goat. Hiran, deer. Hathi, elephant. Gadha, donkey. Chooha, rat. Suvar, pig. Kachua, tortoise. Siar, jackal. Cheetah, cheetah. Bagh, tiger. Is it clear, children, now? So this is the list of what? Here I had given all Hindi names. This side you have all completely in English. I had translate to Hindi to English. మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో కూడా అర్థం కావాలి animals name హిందీలో. So you have to go for the important spot what? Hindi. In exam if I ask any 5 names in Hindi, you should have to write. Come on, write any 5 names of what? Animals name. Write any 5 animals name. Write any 5 colors name. Then you be ready. Teacher won't give any clues or I am not going to give any option. You have to prepare by yourself. That is the reason I am giving this type of list of animals name. Okay. ఏంటి టీచర్ ఇంత పేరు ఉన్నట్టు ఇన్ని పేర్లు ఉంది అనిమల్స్లో ఇలా టీచర్ అంటే మీరు దేంట్లో ఏదైనా ఒక 5 animals ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి డైలీ. ఓకే, డూ దాని 5 animals or 7 animals. 7 అంటే మీకు 5 గుర్తుంటుంది. So you go select any 7 animals and you have to be ready for the exam. That you have to write any 5 animals name. Okay. So if I ask, come on, write any 5 name of the colors. You have to write any 5 colors name. If I ask you other like any option, there will be no options, but you have to write by your own. So go for the. That is the reason I am giving this type of practice in mid of the matra. When I start re matra, then again you won't get this all this list of the names. Okay. Still badi oki matra name em ichchano daniki related miki words kani animals name, flowers name, all I am giving here. Okay. When I start re ki matra, again still aha matra only. After aha matra only I will give again other bits. Okay. Still whatever the bits I am giving, you keep on writing and do the work very neatly. So again I am giving the break. Still badi oki matra. After badi oki matra I am giving all this type of different exercises. Okay, so you go for this different exercise, practice at home. Okay, children. Now we will go for the next class. What is the next one exercise we will go for? That is flowers name. Okay, flowers name in English. Are you all ready? Either you draw or paste. Get ready now. Come on, write. Yes. Get ready to write. Gulab. Okay. Get ready. Gulab. So gulab ko ఏమంటారు? Rose. Gulab. Rose. Okay. The next one, Kamal, lotus. Kamal, lotus. Surajmukhi, sunflower. Surajmukhi means sunflower. Sunflower. Okay. Next one, Gudhal, hibiscus. Gudhal matlab hibiscus. Gudhal matlab hibiscus. Next, नील कमल, ब्लू वाटर लिली. नील कमल का मतलब ब्लू वाटर लिली. ब्लू water lily. Okay children, next one you have kumud. It is lily. Dhatura, in English also dhatura. It is also one of the flower. Dhatura. Dhatura, spell the word of dhatura. 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 It is also one of the flower name. Okay. So children, again I will give the oral drilling for you. Gulab, rose. Kamal, lotus. Surajmukhi, sunflower. Gudhal, hibiscus. Hibiscus. Neel kamal, blue water lily. Kumud, lily. Dhatura, dhatura. Even daisy flower is there, but that related matra I didn't find that name of that flower, so I am giving only the list of the flowers what which related matra only, still badi uki matra related words. అర్థమవుతుందా? మీకు ఎంత దూరం నేను మాత్ర నేర్పించానో అంత దూరం నేర్పించిన మాత్ర సంబంధించిన వర్డ్సే నేను ఇస్తున్నాను మీకు అందరికీ. ఓకే, I was making you again this thing. Teacher is giving in animals some different names, isn't it? Like I had given more than 10, but here only in 7 in the name and the list of what flowers name, isn't it? So don't be get confused. Only whichever how many words I am getting, that related matra only words I was giving to you. Okay, come to the point now. What I mean to say, why I am giving these all different exercise? Do you understand? Yes, I want to make my class very interesting for you all. I don't want to make you trouble that keep on doing the practice of writing every time మాత్ర రాయండి అవి రాయండి ఇది రాయండి అలా లేకుండా మీకు మధ్య మధ్యలో ఇలాంటి వర్క్ ఎందుకు ఇస్తున్నాను నేను? యాక్టివిటీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ వాట్? యాక్టివిటీ. మీరు అందరూ మొత్తం చేయాలి టీచర్ కాదు, ఏదైనా ఒక 5 సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి, డ్రాయింగ్ చేయండి, కలరింగ్ చేయండి, దాని కింద ఆ పేరు రాయాలి. పేస్టింగ్, నో టీచర్ డ్రాయింగ్ మాకు కుదరదంటే, మాకు కష్టంగా ఉందంటే, దెన్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ క్యాన్ పేస్ట్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో. యూ క్యాన్ పేస్ట్ ద పిక్చర్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, so these all I am giving the for different activities only for to make you this class interesting. Okay, so keep on doing this class. Whatever the exercise I am giving, you make it very clear and write the work, do the work very neatly in your Hindi class. Okay children, I hope so this class is very clear, and next session I am going to teach you the what birds name. Okay, then insects name. Okay, so we will write, we will go for different exercise. As soon as our exercise is completed, then I will start my rematra class. Okay, still that we will go with the all different type of exercise so that you will get more practice. Thank you children, take care. We will go for the next exercise tomorrow.